Day 40. Yesterday we built the scheduling agent, the one that runs at 5 p.m., pulls tomorrow's jobs, matches techs by skill and zone, and outputs a dispatch draft. Today we extended that pipeline one step further. After the schedule exists, a second agent reads it and generates a parts pick list for the shop. Here's the problem it's solving. A tech shows up to a no-heat call. The heat exchanger is cracked, or the capacitor's blown, or the contactor's welded shut. Parts he doesn't have. Now he's driving to the supply house, the customer's waiting, the day's shot. That's not a tech problem, that's a staging problem, and it's fixable before the truck ever leaves. The agent reads each job on tomorrow's schedule and classifies it by type: tune-up, no heat, no cool, part swap, diagnostic, new install. That classification comes from the job title and notes in the CRM. From there, it cross-references our own job history. Not a generic list of what capacitors are, our actual job history. What parts did we pull on the last 30 no-heat calls in the same equipment age range? What do we almost always need for a gas furnace service? That data is already in Field Pulse. We're just reading it. The output is a per-tech pick list, formatted as a simple table: job address, job type, tech name, and parts to stage. The shop gets that list by 6 p.m. the night before. One sheet of paper, or a Slack message, or a PDF, however the shop wants it. A shop tech reviews the list, pulls the parts, drops them in labeled bins. One bin per field tech. When the field tech walks in at 7 a.m., his bin is staged: capacitors, contactors, filters, UV bulbs, whatever's called for. He doesn't have to think about it. He loads the van and rolls. The agent doesn't pretend to know every part for every job. It handles the high probability pulls, the stuff that gets used on 70% of jobs of that type. Edge cases still need a tech's judgment at the house, but the common stuff, handled the night before automatically. A few things made this work. First, the job classification step matters. A generic service call tag is useless. The agent needs the job type to be meaningful: tune-up, no heat, warranty call, that level of specificity. Second, the CRM history has to be reasonably consistent. If techs have been logging job notes properly, the inference is solid. If the data's noisy, the picks are noisy. Data hygiene upstream determines how useful this is downstream. Third, the human review step is non-negotiable. The shop tech eyeballs the list before pulling anything. The agent can hallucinate a part that doesn't apply. Human in the loop catches that before it wastes time. The result is trucks rolling loaded, fewer second trips, faster job completion. And the scheduling agent from yesterday is now feeding directly into the staging agent tonight. 2 agents, 1 pipeline, no manual handoff. That's day 40.